What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now today we're going to talk about this Biden debt forgiveness loan. Now I got this clip that I want y'all to listen to, and it is very important. And wait until the very end, because you know I got the link for you so you can actually go and apply if you want to. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it.
Millions of people can formally request financial relief from their student debt.
The Department of Education opened its applications for student loan forgiveness. CBS 8's Regina Yorita explains how it works and what experts have to say about scammers who are misleading people looking for help.
More than 8 million people have already signed up for student loan forgiveness, but since the online application is still under a beta test, many people are still having trouble accessing it, which is leaving an open door to scammers. It's a triumph that no borrower who's been drowning in student loans thought possible. President Biden's one-time student loan forgiveness application is now online, and it's expected to provide debt relief to nearly 43 million people. Were you scared to take out loans?
At first, yeah. I think one of the most reassuring things was like the possibility of like the loan reimbursements from like Biden and stuff.
Today, President Biden spoke about the application process during a speech at the White House.
Today, I'm announcing how millions of people working and middle class folks can apply for get this relief.
It was first announced in August that millions of student loan borrowers may be able to receive $10,000 or more in student loan forgiveness if you have earned under $125,000 a year in income or less than $250,000 for couples. But with trillions of dollars expected to ease financial debt to so many borrowers, scams are already targeting those seeking relief from the program, making current college students concerned to apply.
Yeah, I'm scared that I'm gonna get like scammed or something.
Which is why experts are warning people on how scammers are targeting borrowers.
People are being contacted through email, text message, and even social media, saying that, hey, here's the application to apply. There's going to be an official way that this happens.
David McLeland, the CEO and president of Social Catfish, an online investigation service that aims to help users avoid internet fraud, says the education department will contact borrowers directly after they apply.
Emails that come out, make sure that those are coming from government resources. If there are third parties that are authorized, typically they'll have authorization on a website.
According to the Department of Education, the online application is simple and should only take a minute or two to complete. Borrowers will simply have to enter basic contact information and personal details and must certify that they meet the income guidelines. If you need to fill out an application, we have a link set up on CBS8.com. Just click the help button. Regina Yorita, CBS 8.
Thanks so much for watching, and please go and apply if you need to, okay? Because this is free money, and you already know the qualifications because of the fact that everybody's been sending everywhere. So please check it out, get and apply as fast as you can. It ends in December, okay? So apply, okay? So my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out on every Wednesday. Be you, be true, and I'll see you on the next video.